Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take a chapter of A Tramp of Surgery, which is a chapter of English literature, chapter 1. A Tramp of Surgery was written by the author James Herriot. If we discuss about the author's full name is James Alfred Waite. He was born in October 1916 and his death happens in February 1995. He was known as a pen name James Herriot. He was a British veterinary surgeon and writer. ये सुंदरलैंड इंग्लैंड में बॉर्न हुए थे. He lived in Glasgow during his childhood and teenage years. After graduating from Glasgow Veterinary College in 1939, White moved back to England and he was a veterinary doctor in Yorkshire Dales for almost 50 years. If we discuss about the Tramp of Victory, the main objective is like that. It's like to develop the habits of reading for information and pleasure, drawing inferences from what they read and relating text to their previous knowledge, to learn reading criticality and develop the confidence to ask and answer questions, to encourage the learners express their own ideas in a creative and coherent way, to promote the habit of self-learning and reduce dependence on the teacher. So this PPT is basically made for, if you read on the chapter, you get the habit of reading self-learning. So it's good for a student. Knowledge of different kinds of pets animal. Dog as a most faithful pet. Misuse of money by rich people like Mrs. Pumphrey, who overfed her pet and made him sick. So यहाँ पर कुछ नए नए वर्ड्स आए हैं. जैसे एक है ब्लोटेड सॉसेज. ऐसा अगर आप पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें ये एक वर्ड मिलेगा दिस इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. लाइक ब्लोटेड सॉसेज का मीनिंग क्या होता है? लुकिंग लाइक swollen, मतलब एक फूला हुआ. इसमें क्या है कि डॉग लुक्स लाइक ए ब्लोटेड सॉसेज. ही प्रिफर्स टू सिट देन टू मूव. एक वर्ड है, इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी वर्ड है hasten, to act quickly. The lady hastened for market. Relent, change one's mind, do a U-turn. The child was going to refuse his request, but relented. कुछ न्यू वर्ड्स और भी हैं. Lumbago, acute or chronic pain. The man has lumbago, he can't bear it. Wung, to squeeze. The dress is being swung by the man. If we discuss a term of surgery का कुछ key points, so ये मैंने शॉर्ट किए हैं कुछ पॉइंट्स में, जो आप अगर इसको शॉर्ट में की पॉइंट्स पढ़ते हैं तो आपको थोड़ा ओवरव्यू मिल जाएगा चैप्टर का. तो पहला है, ट्रिकी वॉज अ स्मॉल डॉग एंड वॉज एक्सेसिवली लव्ड बाय हिज मिस्ट्रेस. मिस्ट्रेस का क्या नाम था? मिसेस Pumphrey. He was greedy and loved food, but no exercise. As a result, he became fat, and Mrs. Pumphrey believed that he became lazy because he suffered from malnutrition. Mrs. Pumphrey was a wealthy woman. She loved her dog too much. She gave him some little extra between meals to build him up. Malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night. She gave him a lot of to eat, but no exercise. Once he became ill, she was worried and made a frantic call to Harriet. Harriet is a doctor who was a veterinarian doctor. James already had given suggestions regarding Tricky's balanced diet, but she never followed it. He was a vet. Harriet was a veterinary doctor. He was shocked to see Tricky hugely fat, like a boated sausage with a leg at each corner. यहाँ मैंने मीनिंग बताई थी. swallow bloated soils का मीनिंग मैंने प्रीवियस स्लाइड में बता रखा है. He advised her to cut down on the sweet things. He expected call came within a few days, and it happened. He was called by Mrs. Pumphrey as Tricky refused to eat. He told her that Tricky needed immediate hospitalization for keeping under observation at his surgery for a fortnight. There he gave him no food, no medicine, but plenty of water. Gradually he mixed with other dogs and started playing with them. He had lot of exercises and fun at the surgery. He was completely recovered and transformed into a hard muscled dog. James Herriot treated the dog without medicine or surgery. She was happy. Mrs. Pumphrey was happy and filled with gratitude. She thanked Harriet and said it was a trump of surgery. So if we summarize this story, so Pumphrey was a rich and emotional lady who has a cute pet named Tricky. She loved him so much that she overfed him. Tricky had put on a lot of weight, which made him lethargic. मतलब वो बहुत lethargic सोता रहता था. He was not willing to work anything anymore. When Dr. Harriet saw the fat dog like a bloated sausage, he was shocked. He made a plan and told Mrs. Pumphrey that Trickett needed treatment for alignment, which was possible only in hospital. The doctor knew that Mrs. Pumphrey would not be able to keep the doctor on a proper diet. When the greedy dog went to the hospital, he had to remain hungry. If he was slow to approach for food, he was given food at fixed interval. छोटे छोटे इंटरवल्स में उसको फूड दिया जाता था जिससे वो थोड़ा सा उसको भूख कम लगे वो और लोग डॉग्स के साथ मिंगल अप हो soon he shed off a lot of his body weight and become quite active. So this is a story of Trump of surgery. When Tricky was at home, he was pampered by Mrs. Pumphrey. He had a luxury life when he was served with cream cake, chocolate, and Horlicks. But when he came to a doctor, he became all right. When Mrs. Pumphrey saw her active dog, she thanked the doctor and felt that it was a trump of surgery. If we see the moral of the story, a practical relevance of the story, it signifies that the parents should not be indulged which may harm their children. मतलब कुछ ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव होना ओवर ईटिंग करवाना इज नॉट गुड सो इस स्टोरी का यही समराइजेशन है और यही मॉरल है इसके कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखते हैं Why is Miss Pumphrey worried about Tricky? Answer है Mrs. Pumphrey had a fat dog named Tricky. It becomes listless and seemed to have no energy. It falls ill, so Mrs. Pumphrey get worried about Tricky. Question 2 है Is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? The narrator is a veterinary surgeon, but Tricky's mistress is an exceptionally rich lady who has numerous servants. The narrator is not as rich as Tricky's mistress. Here, Tricky's mistress is Mrs. Pumphrey. How does he treat the dog? He kept an eye on him for 2 days and gave no food, plenty of water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third day, he began to whimper and he heard the dog in the yard. Question 4. Why is he tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest? He is tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest because Mrs. Pumphrey started to bring around fresh eggs to dozen at a time. He also sent bottle of wine and brandy for Tricky's health, but that is consumed by Mr. Harriet and his colleagues. It is not given to Tricky. So यहाँ पे मिसेस पम्पेरी बहुत ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव थी ओवर बच्चे को बहुत पैम्पर करती थी कि उन्हें वाइन और ब्रांडी सब कुछ ट्रिकी के लिए भेजा था Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog's recovery is a trump of surgery? She thinks that the dog's recovery is a trump of surgery because of the dog's split. When Tricky is brought to the surgery, it is very ill. But at the end of the story, Tricky is full of energy and had no alignment. So, this is a trump of surgery. Thank you.